Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. Meditate and seek source energies. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. August 8, 2019. The universe works in a beautiful, perfect way. Set your intention and think of what reality you desire, and the universe takes the load, lift it up and make it happen. The universal divine mind is like several atlases holding Earth and similar inhabited planets like us, and make things work as you think of it, like clockwork. Some manifest in an instant and others through several incarnations. Infinite beings are not subject to time nor space, while humans live short lives of 70 to 100 years but are now present domicile of volunteers to raise Gaia's consciousness. The reality is you are a source energy being, is within you, the creator of your own reality, and the universe makes everything happen. Tune yourself to your intuition, your higher self, and high-frequency beings that you may have routine guidance in your lives provide simple messages like relax and sleep on it, and other more complex ones like you are a multidimensional being. Realize consciousness spirit lives within you. Always be aware that the more you go to deep meditation, the faster you connect to the divine mind and higher realm beings. Take rhythmic deep breaths, open your heart's minds, connect to the divine mind, and your journey to oneness will move fast. Spiritual abundance, love and peace will reign your whole being. It is fascinating to know at this stage of our evolution that high-frequency beings from 7F to 12F in non-physical form are bestowed of spiritual prosperity, joy and happiness, not subject to duality, live in peace and pure love, and that is where we aspire to be. Cast out what other beliefs peddle. We came from various frequencies, and some are from the same frequencies, volunteers and are returning home. We ask you to take time, live in silence, meditate more and fully erase the clutter in your brain, thence love and peace within yourself will reign. With these awareness, it brings unconditional love, compassion, peace and kindness to human beings who are free, independent and on trek to oneness with Source. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo, Jr., August 5, 2019. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organized corporations that create jobs. Link at aornedoj@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Ex-Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or e-books and articles at the net, read messages at in5d.com.